Nice. Do it again. Those are perfect. Who taught you how to do that?
Gina?
Jada?
Yeah, Gina.
Sully, go lay down.
Okay.
Wahoo!
I'm a kind of a little but I'm bigger.
Show Sully how to get on his new bed. Oh, that one was crazy.
Oh.
Put Sully on his bed, would you? Please.
He don't like it.
Sully, get on your bed.
Get on the bed. Lay down. Lay down, Sully. Lay down, Sully. Sully, lay down. Sully, lay down.
No, Sully, lay down.
Lay down. Lay down, Sully. Sully, lay down. Sully. Sully, lay down. Good boy. Now stay.
Uh-oh, you're getting sloppy. Do another one. Best work.
Dude, still go. Dude, strike.
Sully, get out of there. Okay, I'm gonna hurry finish making dinner. Sully, where's your bed?